What's up guys, hope you all are doing great, and today I'm going to tell you all how to gain muscle without gaining any fat, which will make you all look good even when you're bulking.
Nice.
If that sounds good to you, then watch this whole video and subscribe because I have planned a lot of content for you all. So the problem with bulking is that it's stupid. People eat anything whenever they want and say I'm bulking. But no, that's completely wrong unless you want to look like him. So first, to gain muscle and not any fat, you have to check your maintenance calories. Now maintenance calories are those calories from which your weight will not increase nor will it decrease. It will simply just be the same. You can check your maintenance calories by putting data in this calculator for free. I will mention the link below down in the description. So after you get your number, you have to add 200 calories more to it. For example, this is Ria and her maintenance calories are 2500. So she will add more 200 to it, which equals to 2700 calories. So her daily calorie goal will become 2700 calories. Adding 200 calories is as simple as adding one banana and one chapati extra. Also remember, your daily protein goal should be anywhere between 2 to 2.2 grams per kg of body weight. Now for example, your weight is 50 kgs. So you will have protein anywhere between 100 to 110 grams. But with all this, just make sure that you're training hard and applying progressive overload. Progressive overload basically means training harder than last time. Now see, you should not gain more than 1 to 1.5 kgs in a month or else you're eating more than required and gaining fat. You can weigh your food on this kitchen scale which you can easily get on Amazon for 300 rupees. I will leave a link of it down below in the description. And after weighing your food, you just have to download MyFitnessPal and it will show you how many calories are there in it. So this is the most important part. Before eating anything in the morning, you have to weigh yourself and note it down every day in your notes app. So at the end of the week, if you're gaining anywhere between 250 to 500 grams, you're good to go.
Hot damn!
But if you're gaining more than that, then you have to reduce your calories by 100. And if you're gaining less than that, then you have to increase your calories by 100. Example, just eat a banana or don't eat one. And that's basically it for today's video. If you all learned something new, please don't forget to hit like, and if you have got any fitness related question, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I will surely help.